this condenser fan's not spinning. The compressor's running, but the condenser, I shut it off there. Let's hope it's just a capacitor. I think this might be, this is a American Standard train unit here. Oh, it's got a hard stock kit on it. All the wires are all fucking burnt. Wires are all cooked. The wire going to the fan's cooked. We got it off here. We got the breaker off. We'll just make sure our power's off. Common wires off. Make sure we're off. We got no power coming in. Alright, we're off. So this one here, coming in on a common, is cooked. There's the common wire. She's cooked. We'll put another one in there. And then this brown, look at this brown wire is cooked. That goes to the fan. That's cooked too. Put a nice thick common on. I gotta check this capacitor. Brown wire is fried too. Brown wire goes to the fan. It's cooked. That's why it's not working. It's not connected. Might have a bad capacitor there too. There's the brown wire. That goes for the fan. That's the fan brown wire. And the red is the common. Red is the common. I put a thick one on there. I'll get some good how you doing to it. That's gonna be the common. Alright. And that goes. There's the red is the common. This capacitor looks all flippin' cooked too. And then this one, this brown wire. The compressor was running. Let's put this back. This common goes here. Right. Some flippin' burnt wires there. Brown goes to the fan, which is over here. It should work now. This black wire here, that's for the hard start. Alright, so we got new wires on it. Let's see if it starts. Running. running, Ma. He's a runner. Compressor's running. The fan's running. He's a runner. He's a runner. Nice and sweaty there, see it? There's some burnt wires, that's all. American Standard.